how to add the WhatsApp camera shortcut to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, go to your home screen page and then touch and hold. Next, we go down and tap on widgets. In here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on WhatsApp. Next, drag the WhatsApp camera icon and then place it on the home screen and let go. And that's it. Whenever you want to quickly take a photo, just tap on the shortcut and then take a shot. Then tap on next. You can add caption to the picture. So the mat. And then tap on yes. Now choose a contact that you want to share with. And then tap on the send button. And that's it. So that is how you can add the WhatsApp camera shortcut or the widget to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.